Hey, hi guys. Finally, I have mustered up courage to put out video content on my page, and I've been procrastinating for so long, but finally, I'll be putting out content in this page. So, please bear with me, guys, because I know my way of dealing my energy could be a little off because it's around 3 a.m. So, yeah, so please bear with me that because it's my first video. So yeah, let's just jump straight to the point, like what Node.js actually is. And I know most of you guys have heard about Node.js. Many people say, okay, Node.js is a library. No, 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 Node.js is a framework, but not really. Node.js is essentially a runtime environment for JavaScript. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Some people compare to, okay, like Node.js is like as some people compare Node.js with Spring Boot or ASP.NET or or any framework like Django. It, it's very different from that. Like it's like comparing apple with oranges. Node.js is essentially a JavaScript runtime environment. I'll elaborate that. Don't worry. Before elaborating that, let me take you to a little history, of JavaScript. Don't worry, I'm not gonna bore you with that. Like, not way too long, not around 90s, but don't worry. Before, like as we know that before, JavaScript was just a simple scripting language that we can run it on the browsers only. It was a very prominent language used in front end. So it has like monopoly on the front end, like it still has, like it's no brainer. But something changed around 2008 2009ish when Google rolled out its V8 engine, which was based off JavaScript. Like Google Chrome, because Google Chrome was also been launched around that time only. So they also launched a V8 engine along with that. So, like, I could be wrong. I don't know. Did not go into many much history because it was also not one of my favorite subjects. So, anyways, so when V8 engine came out, it was actually a game changer for the JavaScript. It introduced just-in-time compiling for JavaScript, and don't worry about that. I'm not gonna go much details into it. What this in-time compiling is like. Honestly, I'm not no, also not gone in much into detailing, but I may like explain on later videos. But let's see. Now just remember that just-in-time compiling of JavaScript enables to run JavaScript faster, code faster. It was not used to be that faster before because it's an like it was not a strict type language like it was a very dynamic language like Python is. You know what I mean? So because of V8 engine, JavaScript became very fast, very fast, and because of that, JavaScript rising exponentially. It started rising exponentially. Okay, so around that time only, Ryan Dahl, who also created Deno, like in around 2020. So he st- he thought, okay, what if we can run JavaScript on our machines, on our computer, like we can run Java or C++, like laptop or on a computer or any hardware machine. What if we can run JavaScript as well? So with the help of V8 engine only, he created a runtime environment for JavaScript, which we can run it on the machines so that we can write backend services for JavaScript. Like before, JavaScript was only used for the front end, but now we can code in backend as well, right? For servers, for writing servers or making backend services and for making REST APIs. If you do not know any, I hope you guys know. But if you don't know, don't worry, don't worry. I'm gonna be like explaining more into like what's event loop and all that, but I'm not gonna bog you down with all those advanced topics as of now. I'll cover that. Don't worry. So it just enables you to write code in a machines. That's it. Like in Java, in browsers before, like you used to. Okay, I'm not gonna bog you down with more details. I know I haven't edited much because it's one of my first videos. I'll definitely gonna try to make much concise and clear content. So yeah, thank you very much for listening. It's been 5 years. Thank you for that.